I am LT, the Megalodon, and yes, I do my own hair. I don't get paid, but I do the fade. I'm looking for completion, not perfection. Now I'm cleaning this out, man. Oh, my goodness. And my hair's so big, man, I gotta use scrap pieces. I gotta do some stuff on this one. And I'm laying down that adhesive. etbarbers.com, get you some. And you can't put one of these on without the line. And now, since I got a big head, now I got to figure out how I'm gonna get this thing right here cut down and cut out. It was a monster, for real. But you know it's not a problem for me. And I'm thinning this out like them people on the Ozempics. Oh yes, etbarbers.com, come get you some. Man, look at that notorious donut glaze. Now it's time to get this all stuck down. Yes sir, Bob. Man, look at that. It's already looking halfway decent right there, man. And I'm kind of feeling excited. Ooh, get you some of that mousse right here. And I'm going to put this on here, man, so I can bring everything together. Yes, sir, Bob. And here's where the magic happens. Hey, you know I can't go nowhere without this leave-in conditioner spray. And I'm going to spray it on there, and it's going to make it so soft. Kind of like your man's feelings. And I could care less what you say about this cut, because don't nobody say nothing about that ugly face you got. And I know already I ain't the most handsomest thing walking, but I know I ain't the ugliest. And I am LT, the Megalodon.